And now, let's experience Horace Silver and the United States of Mind.
Our water is impure. When fluoride we endure, the air we breathe so free is treated chemically. The food we eat today is filled with toxic spray. The hormones that they add will slowly drive you mad. The natural foods are best, so when you're able, read the label. The food refinery will bring you misery if they can put in use more chemical abuse.